Alright, welcome to my grammar mini lesson. I've got my notebook paper and my pen, and I am ready to rock and roll. Alright, today's grammar lesson. Nouns and adjectives. You might want to put the date at the top. And if you are not writing in a notebook of your very own and you're just on a loose leaf paper, you might want to throw your name at the top there. All right, let's start with nouns. I like to skip a line from my header so it's a little more easy to read, but that's up to you. All right, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. If I write too fast for you, please feel free to pause the video. All right, we have two types of nouns. First kind, common noun. A common noun is something that we use to refer to something in general, like dog. Instead of the specific name of your dog, we would just call them, oh, that's my dog. It's a general name. So a couple things about them is that they are general and they only get capitalized at the beginning of a sentence. All right. The other type of noun, it's a proper noun. It's a fancy noun. These ones are more specific. So these refer to a specific person, place, or thing. Like dog. Instead of saying that's my dog, I would say that's Wesley. My dog's name is Wesley. So proper nouns are specific. And they are always, I'm going to underline always because that's important. They're always capitalized, whether they're at the beginning of the sentence or not. All right, let's do some examples. All right, down here we're going to write common, and then proper. All right, our first type of noun. A person. A common noun for a person could be a teacher. My favorite teacher, when I was in second grade, her name is Mrs. Bush. She's an awesome lady. All right, we're going to make a little divider here to separate our types of nouns. Let's do a place next. Let's do a store. Store is a common noun. It could refer to any store. Let's talk about a specific store. My favorite store. Target. Target gets a capital T. All right, let's do a thing. Today we're going to refer to my dog as a thing. So the common noun we already said was dog. My dog's name is Wesley. If you have a dog, you could put your own dog's name. That would be fine. But the W gets capitalized in Wesley because he's a proper noun. All right, let's do another thing. Let's do a movie. We're going to see a movie today. Or we're going to see Avengers today. Avengers is one of my favorite movies, so that's what I went with. But Avengers gets capitalized. Proper noun. All right, our last type of noun is an idea. We don't usually refer to ideas as proper nouns. So I'm just going to put a little mark right there. But let's talk about an idea. This is something that you can't touch, that you can't hold on to. It's not a thing, because it's not something you can grasp. It's not an inanimate object, but it's like a concept. So let's do trust. We could also do, if I got enough space, love or friendship. Okay? Something that you can't touch, but you know is there. Okay, it's an idea. All right, that's all for nouns. Let's move on to adjectives. I'm going to skip 2 lines. All right, an adjective, super easy. They go together because an adjective describes a noun. That's it. Adjectives can tell us so many things. It makes the sentence so much more detailed, and it gets a lot more fun to like add in extra words that just kind of give you a better sense of what you're reading or looking at or thinking about. So adjectives can tell us lots of different things. They can tell us how something looks, how something feels, smells, tastes. We could do what something sounds like. We could do how many of something. Or what kind. They get very specific, okay? All right, let's do some examples. Let's say you're going to pick out a kitten and you are going to describe the kitten to your friend. So you could say, I picked out a kitten. Here's our noun. Let's add in some adjectives to make it sound a little better. I picked out an orange kitten with soft, silky fur. All right. Let's underline our adjectives. So orange described kitten. And soft and silky described the fur. told me what color he was and what the fur felt like. It was soft and silky. All right, now I would like you to find some examples. And this is really easy. You can just look around the room and find your nouns first. Sometimes that's easier. A person, place, thing, or idea. Let me do one with you. Let's see, what's around my room? Oh, my cat is in the room with me. He's sitting on the chair over there soaking up some sunshine. So, he's a black cat. So all you need to write down is the adjective and the noun. So underline your adjective. Black describes my cat's fur. Black cat. I also have like a pot for my plant, and it is gray and it has like white speckles all over it. So I'm going to say speckled pot. So the pot is my noun. Speckled describes the outside of the pot. All right, I'd like you to write down 3 examples. And that's it. All right, I hope that helped you understand your nouns and adjectives a little better. I'll see you next time. Bye.